Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Nourished Muslimah. So today I have a special recipe to share with you. It's this salad recipe that I paired with salmon and it's so delicious. I have the salmon recipe coming up next, inshallah. So first what I do is I will chop off all my kale. I'm using kale because kale is fibrous and I want to have all the nutrients, and it has a lot of nutrients. And I'm also using the leaf of beets. The beet leaves is delicious. It is nutritious, so you want to try it to make salad one time, okay, if you've never tried it before. And then I'm gonna chop off some parsley, I'm gonna also slice some apples. I will also dice off some tomatoes. Next, I will slice some onions. I'll go ahead and mix the salad together, adding my apples, tomatoes, onions. To dress it up, I'm adding some ghee. Ghee is fantastic. If you don't have olive oil, is okay. So I put a drizzle of olive oil and then a drizzle of rice vinegar and some salt. Very, very delicious. So I'll toss everything together, and then that's it. I am done with this salad. It is so delicious, and it's full pack of nutrients, vitamins and antioxidants. And when you pair this with any protein of your choice, it automatically becomes a full meal. This is delicious, easy to make, and don't forget to follow up with the salmon recipe that I'm gonna share next week, inshallah. I hope you have a good day. Until then, be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum.